Hey guys, this is Dan with G23, and today we have an unboxing of a Taurus. This is the Taurus 856 Defender. So you've got your instruction manual. You can save 30 bucks if you want laser grips. You know, just the normal packaging stuff. Lifetime warranty. And then you get the standard cable lock. And you get the Taurus bag. So this one is your gunmetal gray black cylinder. It's got high vis orange front sight with a titanium insert. On the back you've got your standard gutter sight, the hammer for single action, double action, and it is safe. So it's got a 3-inch barrel, 38 special, can handle the plus P's. It's got, I think these are the VZ grips. So, and they do have the Taurus bowl in them. They're actually really comfortable. And we will get to a shooting portion on this. I gotta get some 38 ammo, so that will be coming up. And this is single action, double action. So we shall see how well it performs. The trigger isn't bad on this. I do need to buy a trigger gauge so I can do that kind of stuff and show you guys what the trigger pulls are.